Click on the link below to get price. The 5,600 ml Air Dehumidifier with Air Purifying Function is an impressive addition to any home, particularly for those who struggle with high humidity levels and air quality issues. This device combines two essential functions, dehumidification and air purification, making it an all-in-one solution for creating a comfortable living environment. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its large 5,600 ml water tank capacity. This allows for extended operation without frequent emptying, ideal for larger spaces or prolonged humidity challenges. The unit efficiently removes excess moisture from the air, significantly reducing mold growth and musty odors that can often plague basements or bathrooms. In terms of air purification, the inclusion of a true HEPA filter is a major plus. This filter captures up to 97% of airborne particles, including dust, pollen, and pet dander, which is particularly beneficial for allergy sufferers. The air purifying function works seamlessly with the dehumidifying feature, resulting in a fresher and cleaner indoor environment. The air quality improvement is palpable, with noticeable reductions in allergens and irritants after just a short period of use. The design of the dehumidifier is user-friendly, featuring an intuitive control panel that allows for easy adjustments to humidity settings and fan speed. The auto shutoff feature is particularly noteworthy. It activates when the water tank is full or when desired humidity levels are achieved, providing peace of mind and preventing overflow. Overall, the 5,600 ml Air Dehumidifier with Air Purifying Function is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their indoor air quality and reduce humidity. Its dual functionality, high capacity, and effective filtration system set it apart in a crowded market. Whether in a home, basement, or office, this device delivers reliable performance and truly makes a difference in creating a healthier living space.